Welcome to Section 4 of our Amazon Marketing video training. In this section, we'll talk about the hottest traffic methods for Amazon affiliate sites, using Amazon native shopping ads, advanced FBA strategies, and embedding an Amazon A-store into a Facebook page. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. The hottest traffic methods for Amazon affiliate sites. Your Amazon affiliate website will be nothing without constant high-quality traffic. No matter what you do or how shiny the design is, you need lots of people visiting it and purchasing stuff on Amazon after clicking through it. Getting traffic to your Amazon affiliate niche website is strongly tied to your content. So let's recap the essential elements that you need to have: profitable keywords, great content, and pricing tables. In this video, we are going to focus on teaching you how to master the hottest traffic methods for Amazon affiliate websites. These methods are easy to understand and implement, and best of all, they work like a charm. Finding the right keywords. We discussed this in the previous video, but it's worth noting that this is perhaps what carries the most weight when it comes to getting traffic to any type of website, niche or not. The right keywords are going to help your niche website rank higher among sites relevant to your topic or, in your case as an affiliate, your niche. There are 2 online tools that we recommend you use before you start creating content for your niche website. These tools will help you find other keywords that are relevant to your niche, as well as whole phrases used by customers during their research before making purchases. Google Keyword Planner. The Google Keyword Planner can help by allowing you to get search data related to your keywords. Simply go to adwords.google.com/keyword planner and log in using your Google account. There, you'll be able to search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category, get search volume data and trends using a defined keyword, and to multiply keyword lists to get new keywords. SEMrush. Use SEMrush to get a lot of information relevant to your keyword, such as info on organic search, paid search, trends, and related keywords. Target buying keywords. Buying keywords are keywords used by people that want to find more information about something before making a purchase. This can happen for a variety of reasons. Most of the time, it's because people want to make informed purchases or find alternatives. A lot of times, it's a simple form of building anticipation before making a purchase. This means that buying keywords are query keywords that are derived from a specific keyword, such as best blue smartphone when looking for blue or blue smartphones. These types of keywords are important because people using them are ready to make a purchase the majority of the time. Using these types of keywords in your niche site can attract a lot of people through searches on Google. Target long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are a much more specific form of keyword because they are used to search for more specific criteria when buyers are looking for something they really want. Using the blue smartphone example, long-tail variations of said keyword can be best blue smartphone 2016 or blue smartphone audio file. Sure, long-tail keywords tend to carry a low search volume because they are too specific. However, they also tend to lead to more profitable sales. Best of articles. While product reviews are the most popular approach, best of articles tend to work better for some niches. This approach works amazingly well because best of followed by any product-related keyword gets a lot of traffic. Surprisingly, not many people know this. Leverage social media. Having a presence on social media can help you drive a lot of traffic to your site by simple crowdsourcing. If your site features compelling and valuable content, your social media followers will share it and could even become your ambassadors. To keep social media users interested in your niche website, make sure to fill in content other than reviews and affiliate-centric posts. Using Amazon native shopping ads. One of the greatest selling points of the Amazon Associates program for people with Amazon affiliate websites is that all the hard work involved in the creation of ad units to promote affiliate products is taken care of by Amazon itself. Whereas other affiliate programs leave you to deal with how to create your own ad units, Amazon offers you banners, direct links to product pages in the form of images, enhanced images with text, and simple text links. The thing about these ad units is that they only work when you are using them to promote a product. For instance, you can only use an ad unit for a specific product on a page where you are reviewing said product. The good news is that the Amazon Associates program also offers you contextual ads called native shopping ads. They work much in the same way that Google AdSense ads work. You copy a native shopping ads, code it to your website, and your visitors will see the product ads according to the context. For example, if you have a photography website, your visitors will see ads for photography equipment. Native shopping ads will allow you to show the most relevant products to your visitors according to context, and they offer you flexible placement options. They are also responsive, so your visitors can have a seamless experience with these ads on any device. Lastly, they are easy to implement. You just have to set the code once and forget about it. There are 3 types of native shopping ads. Recommendation ads. These types of native shopping ads will be displayed in product article pages to show product recommendations for your visitors. The recommendations shown by these ads will depend on the content of your pages and preferences of your visitors. Search ads. These types of ads will show products to your visitors according to search results given to them by the Amazon Marketplace. Custom ads. Custom ads work in a similar fashion to product page links, because these are ads that will simply show product recommendations set by you. They are great for articles about products that are not necessarily reviews or comparisons leading to an affiliate link. Sign into your Amazon Associates account. Once inside, look at the upper right corner and click on Native Shopping Ads. Scroll down to locate the yellow Create Ad Unit button and click on it. A display menu will be revealed with each native shopping ad type unit discussed before: recommendation ads, search ads, and custom ads. Let's have a look at each, starting with recommendation ads. First, you'll be required to enter a name for your ad. Then, you'll have to choose between 2 ad formats, grid or list. Now you'll need to choose which categories should be emphasized by your ads and choose a fallback keyword in case no product matches are found. Let's scroll up and click on Search Ads. Here you'll only have to pick an ad format to specify a category and to enter a default search term. Let's scroll back up and click on Custom Ads. Again, simply select an ad format and category. Then select a minimum of 4 products to show. After you set up each ad, you can preview how each will look on desktop or mobile devices to your right. Once you are satisfied with your ads, simply copy the generated code and insert it into your Amazon affiliate website. Advanced FBA Strategies. Using Amazon to sell your stuff has to be one of the most awesome jobs you can have. You get to make money online as an e-commerce entrepreneur by using the largest online retail platform in the world. You can safely boast about having a business partner that takes care of doing everything for you. Using FBA helps you succeed because it leaves the management of resources to Amazon, which is incredibly beneficial for you. After you learn how to prepare your items to have them shipped to Amazon, the game is not over. Here are some advanced strategies to apply if you want to make the most out of Amazon's outstanding fulfillment service. Choosing products to sell. It is wise to adopt a humble approach when you start selling stuff through FBA. We recommend you start with simple, small products that are safe to sell and escalate your business from there. Apply these elements to your FBA business. Keep it simple. Keep it simple at the beginning. The first approach to simplicity is not selling stuff that will require a lot of planning or accommodations to be shipped. You can do this by selling things that can be sold under private labels, such as beauty products, clothing, and supplements. Besides, these types of products are easier to sell and have a broader market appeal, which will help you pile up earnings until you become able to absorb higher investment costs. Keep it small. Selling small stuff will save you a lot of strain and will also guarantee that you keep a tidy profit margin. This is because the larger the items are, the more FBA storage is required and inventory costs will go up. Keep it safe. You also have to keep an eye on how safe your products are for consumers. The products that we mentioned before are safe to store and ship without sustaining any major damage, helping you avoid returns and damaged item costs. Applying SEO techniques. Apart from applying the usual search engine optimization techniques, such as getting press releases for your private label, creating articles to rank your label as a keyword recognized by Google, and bookmarking, there is one SEO strategy that we have discovered that works extremely well for FBA. It is to get as many backlinks as possible. It doesn't matter if those backlinks come from guest posts or from backlinking services, because Amazon will not penalize you for it. Getting reviews. Getting reviews for your products offered through the FBA service is supremely important. Reviews are what will make your product stand out. A well-received product will always get more sales. Getting reviews is sometimes difficult because customers can forget about reviewing a product after they have received it. The good news is, you can ask customers to review your products if you know how to ask them for it. Remember, to get positive reviews, not only does your product need to be top-notch, but you have to provide excellent customer service. How do you ask for positive reviews? Do the following. After a sale has gone through and you are absolutely sure that the customer has received his or her order, simply contact them through Amazon to ask them about their experience and subtly ask them to review your product. You can get a note printed on your product packaging or ask Amazon to leave a note asking customers to notify you once they receive their orders and to please review your product if they are satisfied with it. You can also outsource the job of calling your customers and asking them about their buying experience. Amazon has your customers' phone numbers available in your FBA account. Follow these simple yet extremely functional strategies to the letter and get the most out of the largest fulfillment network in the world. Embedding an Amazon A-store into a Facebook page. Amazon A-stores are a great and easy way to manage your Amazon affiliate business because they allow you to create an amazing e-commerce website mockup within your own Amazon affiliate website. You don't even need to know how to code because you can simply create an A-store with a few clicks with your Amazon Associates Central account. In this video, we will show you an easy way to integrate an A-store into a Facebook page. Why would you like to integrate an A-store into a Facebook fan page if you already have an Amazon affiliate website? Well, here's a list of the benefits of doing so. You can use your Facebook fan page to promote your affiliate website while giving Amazon customers a simpler way to buy what they want without having to leave your Facebook page. Your visitors will be more likely to make impulse purchases because all the items that you are promoting in your A-store are listed in one single block of items. Ready-to-buy customers can simply scroll down your inventory while adding anything they fancy to their carts, all without leaving your Facebook page. You'll be able to score a lot more affiliate sales because you'll satisfy two immediate needs: online shopping and social media usage. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate your A-store into your Facebook page step by step, the easy way. Please follow the on-screen walkthrough to have yours ready in no time. Before you get started, it is important that you have the following ready: a Facebook fan page for your affiliate website, an Amazon Associates account, and you'll need the following URL copied to the clipboard and have it ready: http://apps.facebook.com/static_html_plus/. For the purposes of this video, and because you have made it this far into the training, we will assume that you already have a Facebook fan page for your affiliate website and an Amazon Associate account as well as an A-store built. We also recommend you are logged into Facebook and your Amazon Associates account on separate tabs in the same browser just in case. If you have not created an A-store for your affiliate website yet, just head to your Amazon Associates account, go to the Product Linking tab, and click on A-store. On the following screen, click on Build an A-store Now to create and personalize your own A-store with a few clicks of your mouse. You'll go back to your Amazon Associates account in a couple of minutes after you complete the actual first step in the process. Copy the http://apps.facebook.com/static_html_plus/ from the clipboard and paste it on the tab where you are logged into Facebook. Next, click on the Add Static HTML to a Page button. Click on the Facebook Pages drop-down style menu to select the Facebook page, which is where you'll be embedding your A-store. Then click on the Add Page tab button to continue. Right after the installation is complete, you'll be redirected to a new Welcome section in your fan page. This is where your integrated A-store will be featured. To start embedding it, simply click on Setup tab. Scroll down and delete the text in the index.html field. Then go back to your Amazon Associates account to get your A-store's code. Go to the Product Linking tab and click on A-store. Under Manage Your A-stores, you'll find an info box with your A-store's info. Click on Edit. Now click the Continue button without actually editing anything until you reach the Finish and Get Link button. In the page that loads, check the Embed My Store using an inline frame and copy the code in the box below. Go back to the App Control panel you were in before. After you copy this code to paste it into the index.html field, you'll be shown a warning message. To not go into further detail, you'll just need to make some minor changes in the code that you just pasted. Add an S to the HTTP part to make it HTTPS in order to make it safe for security checks made by the browser. Change the width value to 815 px and the height value to 1200 px, and change the scrolling value to yes. Now your code has been optimized for Facebook. Scroll up and click on Save and Publish. Go back to your Facebook page and click on Welcome. As you can see, your A-Store is now embedded into your fan page. To finalize, we recommend that you personalize this tab according to your A-Store setup. To do so, simply click on the Settings button on the upper right-hand corner of your Facebook page. Look at the menu on the left and click on Apps. Now, click on Edit Settings under Static HTML: iframe tabs. Here you'll be able to edit the default tab name and to add a personalized image to it. Enter a new name for your tab and a new image as well. When you are done, save and click OK. Now your Facebook A-Store is up to date and ready to roll.